Yeah, buddy. He's jumping. It's the 2-foot jump. This is pretty new for Dom.
Whoa! Just abusing everybody.
Yeah! Ah! Ah!
Johnny finds it hilarious. Where are you going? Are you going to do your little trick that you do at home?
Oh, through the chair. Ta-da!
You just say again.
What's again? Oh, again.